Sometimes in WhatsApp, you might send an event, or you might want to send one. And if you want to add a time to this event, or if you want to edit the event time, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to add or edit event time on WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact to which you want to send the event or edit the event. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, if you have already sent that event, here you can see the Edit Event option. Click on Edit Event, and here you can see the time and date. If you want to change the date, click on this date area, and you can change the date from here. And if you want to change the time, click on this time area, and you can change the time. After that, click on this OK button and click on the Send button. Now that event will be edited. And if you want to add time to a new event, click on this pin like button and select Event. And after that, here you need to give the event name, and here you can see the date and time option. Click on this date option, and you can select the date, and here you can see the time option. Click on this and select the time. After that, click on the Send button. When you're clicking on that event will be sent. So, this way, you can easily add or edit event time on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.